Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm super excited. In just a few minutes I'm going to be going to the airport to pick up my brother Charlie. He's coming in to visit for a few days, so that'll be a lot of fun. But I had a little teeny bit of time, so I thought I would film a video quick since the boxes are starting to roll in. So today we're opening up one of the pin culture boxes. So this is the August sneak peek of their small bobby pins and hair ties subscription. If you have not seen my other videos, or if you have, I should say, then you know that they offer so many different subscriptions. So Pin Culture is a hair accessory subscription company. They are on Cratejoy and they have like 8 or 10 or subscription options, and they're all very affordable. Some just have hair ties of different sorts, like they have wire ties, ribbon ties, regular hair ties, they have bobby pins. They have a bunch of different options. So I'm gonna leave their link down below along with my promo code to save you some money. So if you wanna just browse their site and see what they have to offer, there's probably something out there for you since they offer so many different options. It is so great. So let's get unboxing and see what I got this month. Isn't their bagging so cute? I love elephants so much. I just die over their mailer bag, it's adorable. So when I open it up, here's what I see. It looks like there is a card and then everything is wrapped up in this tissue paper. So let's take a look at the card first. So cute. Peace sign. And says, Kitty, here is your sneak peek of the August small bobby pins and hair ties box. I've extended your code until 9/30/19. So that code I talked about, that is valid until the end of September. Awesome. And in September, it'll be Pin Culture's second anniversary sale, or second anniversary, and we'll have a lot of surprises in store. Oh my God, that's awesome. They're gonna have their second anniversary next month, and I guess there'll be some surprises, so that's super exciting. So now let's unwrap this tissue paper. Oh, awesome, I see something next. So let's read the card that comes in here first. It says, thank you so much for subscribing to the small bobby pins and hair ties box. I hope you enjoy your monthly supplies of pins and ties, as well as this month's surprise item, the set of 2 tortoise hair ties. This has a retail value of $8, and your total box value is $14. So everything you get is $8, but the value of it is even more, and it's $14. And it says, can't wait to put together next month's box for you. Awesome. I love the bonus item so much. I can see it right now and I think that would look really good with my black dress. I might have to put that on. I think I just have like a scrunchie in my hair right now. But inside this little plastic box is all the hair ties and the bobby pins. So this is super convenient. So when you sign up, you tell them what color hair you have. I think they have blonde, brown, black, and auburn options. So that is super awesome. Obviously, I chose the blonde, so there's enough hair ties and pins to last me a while. And I love that it comes in this case. You can reuse it. I like to keep my hair ties in here so that it's super easy to grab if you put it in your like purse or your gym bag, or if you just want to keep it away from your little cats that love to play with your hair ties and steal them, and then they'll end up who knows where. So this is super awesome. I love it. So you get a bunch of hair ties and a bunch of bobby pins as well. I think there's about 10 hair ties and 15 bobby pins. That is super awesome. And then the bonus items, I have to admit, this is what I'm the most excited about. Oops. So here is what they look like. So they are just hair ties and they have this tortoise shell print, like detail. I think this is so cute. This will look so good with so many of my outfits because I like wear a lot of like black and gray and white and stuff like that. So these are so cute. I'm gonna have to put this in my hair right after I film before I go, cause yeah, I don't even know, I just have like a scrunchie and like I said. So that is everything. So super convenient. You get everything you need each month because you know these things just tend to disappear, maybe if you have cats or not. And then the 2 bonus accessories, so cute this month. I love them. So thank you Pin Culture for sending this to me and for giving us this sneak peek. So again, all the details will be down below. And yeah, let me know how you guys are enjoying your weekend. I'm about to go and pick up Charlie, so I'll get out of here, but I just want to say love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!